1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I've been a G, throw up the L, A, M, O, R, O, U, S. I can put you in first class, up in the sky. First class, up in the G, L, A, M, O, R, O, U, S. I can put you in first class, up in the sky. First class, up in the I can see the whole city from this balcony. Back in 2019, I was outside freely, but now they got it out for me. I don't care what frat that you was in, you can out for me, keep dreaming. Pineapple juice, I give her sweet, sweet, sweet. I know what they like, so I just keep cheesing. Hard drive full of heat seeking, trying to come the same as Jack rethinking. You don't need Givenchy, you need Jesus. Why'd y'all sleep on me? I need reasons. I got plaques in the mail peak season. Shout out to my UPS workers, making sure I receive them. You can do it to believe it. I've been a G, throw up the L, A, M, O, R, O, U, S. I can put you in first class, up in the sky. First class, up in the Yes, I am. They say you a superstar now. I guess I am. You might be the man. Well, that's unless I am. Okay, I'll confess I am. Go ahead and get ready. I am. Okay, cool. You on Sunset? I am. I'm about to slide. Okay, I'm outside. Okay, this lifestyle got many downsides, except for the lack of time I get round my family, making sure that never downside. Got visions of my mom saying, "Wait, this house mine." Can't lie, I'm on Angus Cloud 9. I got him on the bandwagon now. About time. Ain't even got no downtime. Every time I speak, she say, "Yeah, that sounds fine." I've been a G. Throw up the L, A, M, O, R, O, U, S. I can put you in first class, up in the sky. First class, up in the Hey, thanks so much for stopping by, and if you enjoyed that cover, then please do me a favor. Don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future content coming from this channel. And also, I want to thank my friends at Leolani Ukulele for sponsoring this video, for allowing me to showcase the T52 4G. This is a tenor size uke, and truly it's become my favorite uke to play because of how dynamic the tone is. It's very rich, very warm, and also the action is low, so it's easy to press down on those strings. And for the price you pay for this model, you're gonna get a lot of quality that you won't find elsewhere. So if you want to get your hands on this, click on that link in my description box below, and I hope you check out the T52 4G. By the way, if you're looking for some more good music, click on that link right over there. It's gonna take you to another one of my covers that I think you're going to enjoy, so check that out. I look forward to seeing you right over there.